no, he woke up. Oh. Isn't he just the cutest? Bobo. Hey, Rez, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera, baby. Oh, my baby. Are you okay? He's waking up. Must be so frustrated to sleep all day, isn't it? Here's your food's downstairs. Love you. Okay, say bye-bye, camera. He got covered up in my coat earlier. And now I guess he's all snoozy. He's tucked in. I guess he's ready for his afternoon nap. Say ciao to the camera, Bobo. He would, but he's so sleepy. Hey, look, there's Shiloh. Say hi, Shiloh. Shiloh can do a thumper. I'll try to record it sometime. My sister can get her to do it again. I can't get her to do it. Well, ciao.